afternoon. Thank you very much for joining in, distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, and climate champions. Thank you very much for joining us here on the Times Network India Climate Summit 2025, brought to you by presenting partner Adani, co-powered by Mahavitran, state partner Madhya Pradesh, outdoor partner Timda Delhi Airport, education partner Bennett University, and research partner Climate Trends.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gather at a moment when the window for climate action is rapidly closing. The numbers tell a stark story. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reported that methane levels have more than doubled in last 200 years, driving up global warming by about 30% since the 18th century. In fact, in 2024 alone, extreme weather displaced people across 27 Indian states, with Assam bearing nearly half the burden. We are approaching critical tipping points that could lock in irreversible changes to our planet's climate system. In fact, just last month only, torrential rains brought Mumbai and Bengaluru to a standstill, on their knees literally. The message is unmistakable. The climate crisis isn't a distant threat. It is our present reality.
Absolutely. And when we speak, because this truly is our decisive decade, and India's role is particularly significant. Temperatures in India have reached record highs throughout the year of 2024, which has been witnessed, reflecting a concerning global phenomenon. There have been projections by the Council of Energy, Environment and Water suggest that climate change could cost us 35 million jobs by 2030 if left unchecked.
Absolutely. While communities across economic and social groups experience climate impact differently, the ripple effects extend across health, employment, and our natural ecosystems. You know, over 80% of our population lives in climate-sensitive districts, and the case for thoughtful, inclusive action has never been clearer.
Well, as we speak, because here we are to navigate this tipping point, India also represents unprecedented hope. A majority of our leaders and experts who are supporting this transition to renewable energy, with most wanting this shift within this decade itself.
In fact, ladies and gentlemen, today's summit brings together the brightest minds, most passionate advocates and influential policymakers to chart a course toward a climate-resilient future. From ministers from the Government of India to grassroots activists, from international experts to young change makers, we have assembled a remarkable constellation of voices united by one common purpose: securing a sustainable tomorrow for our planet.
Absolutely. And because this summit itself sets the platform to set the context for the important discussion that will take place today, let us begin with an audio-visual presentation that underscores the pressing climate realities that we face and the solutions that are emerging from both India and from around the globe. Let's take a look.
From afar, the pale blue dot appears as a divine paradise. But a closer look reveals a different reality. From record heat waves to floods and fires, climate extremes reshape lives across the globe, and India is no exception. The crisis is no longer tomorrow's threat, it's today's reality. This is our decisive decade. The choices we make now will shape the planet we leave behind. There is not a moment for delay. It's the time for transformative action. India stands at a crossroads and chooses to lead with a new path. One that doesn't trade growth for sustainability, but champions both. Where clean energy meets culture and innovation meets grassroots strength. At the second edition of the India Climate Summit, Critical conversations will shape bold action. Policy for progress, resilience for cities, carbon frameworks for industry, clean energy for all, and youth and advocacy driving the change. This is the moment to act together. Policymakers, pioneers, innovators, and citizens. Welcome to the Times Network India Climate Summit 2025. The future of our climate begins now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that sets the tone for the discussions to follow this evening at the India Climate Summit. Under the visionary leadership of our esteemed chief guest, India has emerged as a global leader in climate action. His guidance has positioned India as a strong and credible voice of the global south in international climate negotiations, while his forward-looking policies have significantly accelerated the nation's journey towards a net zero future.
Absolutely. And when we speak of this stage as well, because, ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to also tell you that this very stage that we are standing on is also climate friendly. Now that India ranks 10th globally on the Climate Change Performance Index, one of the few developing nations making consistent progress towards building a sustainable and climate resilient Viksit Bharat,